Welcome back to the section where we actually install the Oracle database on our PC. So the environment I'm gonna be using is gonna be Windows, but as we saw in the previous lecture, we can also install it on Linux, or if we have an older version of Windows which is 32-bit, you can install it also over there. So we have to install the 11G version. The Windows environment which I'm using to install the Oracle database is completely clean. So only thing I have installed is like browsers and Java runtime environment. So potentially any errors that could occur during the installation, it will occur to me so we can resolve them. But if you do encounter some error or problem while installing the database, please comment below and I will respond to you quickly as possible. So let's jump straight ahead to the file which we downloaded from the Oracle site. Alright, so this is the file we downloaded from the Oracle site, which contains the installer for the Oracle database. It is contained in zip file. I'm using a 7-zip, but you can use, for example, WinZip, WinRAR, or implemented Windows zip capabilities, so you can extract all the content for it. So we have to extract all the content to the hard drive. I'm gonna make a separate folder to it. It's gonna name Oracle XC setup, and let's extract all the data. All right. So when everything is extracted, we just have to run the installer, and the following steps are more or less straightforward. So we press next, we read through the license agreement and accept them. We choose the folder where the database is going to be installed. This is fine for me, you can change it if you want. And we have to enter the sys password to the database. So please remember this, write it down, and don't lose it. We write the password once and confirm it by typing the same password again. Press next, just to confirm everything, and we choose the install. So this procedure will take several minutes depending on your configuration of your PC. It could take even over 20 minutes. During the installation, the installer is going to ask you a couple of times to allow the changes on your PC. So gonna have to allow that. And that's practically it. So our database is now installed on our PC. At the end of the installation, we get information where it's gonna be located. So we know how to connect to it. So it's gonna be on localhost on port 1521. And the SID is gonna be XEPDB1. So we click finish and we are practically done. The only thing that now remains is to check if the actual database works. So we're gonna try to connect to it. We can do that from any terminal. So on Windows environment from command prompt or PowerShell. I'm gonna show you with the command prompt. So I enter the command prompt and I enter a command sqlplus /s sysdba. And we can see we are connected to the Oracle database, so everything is fine. You can also check that from the PowerShell. Same command, sqlplus /s sysdba, and the same result. So we are practically ready to go.